This is the LG dual fuel slide-in double oven range. So of course here we have the gas cooktop, and then we have two double electric ovens. This is just, I just got it today, and we will be finishing the installation a little bit later, but I wanted to be able to show you what it looks like before full installation so you can see the back, and also just in general how it comes packaged. So here we have some pieces that I haven't actually unpacked this yet, so I'll have to check on that, but I'll mention in the comments what is in that package. I got this through Costco, so the delivery was a little bit rough, but we got it done. This is the back piece. I just attached it because the way I've got my system, everything set up back here, you see the gas sticks out slightly, and then if you look at the unit itself, there's no room for that gas line to fit in like a slot. So once we have the gas hooked up, there will be a bit of a gap, but this should take care of that small gap. So far the electrical components work fine, except I noticed that if I just walked up to the oven and accidentally put my weight on it earlier, one of the buttons went off. I think it was the timer, but it never actually said anything. But you got to be careful with that. Oh no, it was the start light. So, you know, you're going to get... Also, one other interesting thing I've noticed, and I just got it, so I haven't had a chance to read the manual and get all the details, but when you open one oven door and the light comes on, the other oven door light comes on, which I think is kind of a waste, but they're both obviously connected. So also there's no real off oven control on the knob. It's all done here, upper and lower. But if you just happen to turn something, it automatically starts setting it. So you really have to, you know, any turning of the knob is going to do that. So you have to go and just clear that. And I cleared the wrong one. So that's that part. This also comes with a grill, and I'll show you that later. I just wanted to show you basically how it comes when you first get it. So there will be a follow-up video. All right. Good luck if you get one.